I'm loving, accepting, artistic, and genuine.
I am confident, caring, artistic, giving, and proud.
I'm expressive, valuable, giving, and compassionate.
Yes, you are!
HMS has given me a better understanding of myself. It's given me a chance to become a lot more authentic in my relationships with the people in my life.
When I was little, I was in an ultra-Orthodox family, and I slowly left religion. And HMS gave me the opportunity to really find a comfortable spot.
We know that every single person was created by God with a special mission, with a special purpose in life. Everybody, everything. And yet sometimes we can even feel about ourselves that we don't feel confident, we don't feel that there's something special about us. HMS helps you to really discover who you are and the magnificence of who you really are.
My sister and I have, through the years, have a very difficult relationship, hard time getting along. She's very different than me. I learned that if I just accept her for who she is, love her, stop looking at our differences, then that changes everything.
The most important thing that HMS does for the Jewish community is it brings people of all different levels of observance together. There are people here who are Orthodox, there are people here who are Reformed, there are people here who consider themselves cultural Jews. HMS definitely was a cause of me for becoming more religious because, this relating to Judaism and this being such a good thing in my life, I'm like, maybe religion isn't such a bad thing. And so I feel like a lot of other people can learn that lesson.
The most valuable thing I gained from HMS was loving myself. And I believe that in order to live like an Orthodox religious Jew, you need to love yourself first.
I gained the knowledge that I'm not really alone, and that, there are a ton of people out there who have problems, throughout their lives. They go through each day. It's not easy for everyone, just like it's not easy for me. And, if I ever need to talk to someone, there's a ton of people here who can help me. And it's just awesome, not being alone.